just learned kind of a crazy fun fact. Over the course of a year, Mars will lose and regain up to a third of the mass of its atmosphere. Here's what happens. So Mars's atmosphere is almost entirely made up of carbon dioxide, around 95%. In the Martian winter, it gets cold enough that that carbon dioxide freezes. This material freezes out at Mars's polar ice caps. Yes, Mars has polar ice caps, a lot like Earth, but unlike Earth, these are primarily dry ice, not water ice. And then when spring rolls around, it starts to warm up and that dry ice sublimates. It turns into gas like dry ice does, and that carbon dioxide goes back into the atmosphere. This leads to big fluctuations in the pressure in Mars's atmosphere. Here you can see the dip that is the southern winter, which is a lot colder and more extreme than the northern winter, which is that dip over there. Now you might ask, Earth has these kind of cycles too, right? We have polar ice caps that grow and shrink. Why aren't we seeing big drops in our atmospheric pressure? Well, our atmosphere is mostly nitrogen with only a tiny bit of water vapor. So when water cycle processes happen and that water condenses out of the atmosphere, it's not going to really change the pressure. But imagine if it were the thing that makes up 95% of your atmosphere that's freezing out every winter. Yet another reason I wouldn't want to live on Mars.